Hello, in this video we're going to be covering the basics needed for successfully integrating with our physical printers. The minimum requirements that you're going to be needing, first of all, is going to be the protocols and command manual. Here in the protocols and command manual, you're going to be able to see all the different protocols that the printer uses and how to implement each and every one of them. This is the most important manual, and it's first advised that you read it before proceeding. Second, you're going to be using the library of integration. This varies depending on the programming language that you're working on. For this example, we're going to be doing the complete integration using the Visual Studio 2013 IDE and Visual Basic as the programming language. So for this programming language, we're going to be needing the HKA net.dll library, and here you can find the manual for this library. And here you will find each and every one of the functions that this library implements and how to use them with the physical printer. Another minimum requirement would be a PDF reader to be able to read the different manuals that we have. We recommend Sumatra PDF. Also, we have over here this little file called PL2303. This is just going to be used in case that the communication that you're doing with your physical printer is with a DB9 to USB converter, which is my case. In this case, this computer has been recently formatted and has nothing installed, so we're going to be doing the tests on this one. For this example, I haven't plugged in my printer yet, which is also another one of the requirements that you're going to be needing, your physical printer. So in this case, I have never connected it to the PC, and I am connected via DB9 to USB converter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in right now. First of all, you should disable your internet connection, because if not, Windows 7 will auto-install the driver for this DB9 converter, and that driver doesn't work normally. So you're going to be manually installing this driver. So first you turn off your internet interfaces, and then you plug in your cable. You're going to go to Start, and then you're going to go to Device Manager. And here you should find already the printer being shown here, right, as a USB serial controller. So what we're going to be doing here, we're going to right-click it, and we're going to update the driver software. So after that, we're going to browse on the computer, and we're going to look for this file that we already have in here in the desktop, the PL2303. Click OK, we click Next, and the driver should be installed with no problem. So let's just wait here for the driver to be installed. It's ready, and we can verify that it has been installed correctly. What we see over here, this name, Prolific USB to Serial COM port, and it will show you the communication port that you're connected right now, which in this case is COM3. At this point, we're ready to start our project in Visual Studio and make the reference for the library that we're going to be using.